I swear on everything, every company is going to make a foldable, flippable cell phone this year. And I don't care what company you list off, it's going to happen. You could go as far to say, like, Panasonic, for example. They're probably somehow going to create a flippable cell phone. Guys, Energizer. That's right, Energizer. Just revealed not only their biggest battery of all time, 28,000 millihertz, they also are creating a flippable cell phone. And this is what it is. It's a flippable cell phone that has a smaller battery than the Z Flip 5, and it's something else. I'll say it like that. It looks like a Z Flip 4 with the outside display being not that big, and then the camera lenses, it's a cheap Z Flip 4. That's kind of how I'm looking at this. It is actually a real thing, and which is kind of crazy to say that out loud, but it is what it is. It's going to be a cheap flippable phone for those who don't want to spend that much money. So they're kind of going down the Motorola route when it comes to giving us a very cheap product that, you know, you're not breaking the bank on, but at the same time, you know, you're getting what you're paying for pretty much. That's what this really comes down to. And by the way, this little thing right here is a security thing because it's actually at, I think it was MWC, I believe, that they showed this off on. So again, keep in mind this little thing here is not part of the actual phone. This is a security tag. You can see the little line here. This just connects to it so that no one steals it. But wow, that is one chunky, and I mean chunky here, inside. Like that's a gap. That's a gap, you know. That's a gap to save someone's life. Wow. And then you got the right here with the hinge. Yeah, it's like a knockoff. It's literally what you would say would be a knockoff Z Flip 4. If someone showed me this and they didn't tell me this was Energizer and this was just coming out, I would probably say, wow, China really is getting crazy with their knockoffs, because that's what it looks like. And then right down here it says 6.67 inches, full HD plus display, 2400 by 1080. So it's a 1080 panel on this inside display. And oh, those bezels. Those bezels, the way it curves, it looks like the screen underneath is bigger than the bezels on the outside of the phone. Oh, that looks so weird. And again, listen, it has a small battery. This is not meant to give you, you know, longevity when it comes to the battery life. This is exactly what you would expect it to be. It's a bad battery phone, but what you're getting in plus of that is you're getting yourselves a cheap phone. So it really comes down to, do you want a cheap phone, right? And if you want a cheap phone, this is your best bet. It's not going to be the best option out there, but it's going to be something you can get for cheap and be pretty damn happy with and get into this foldable phone, you know, flippable phone industry. While it's not, you know, good, it's not the one to look at. It's not good based on looks. It's something. Like, that's the best way I could put this right now, is it's something. It is an ugly looking phone. And maybe, you know, by the third or fifth or sixth generation, they fix all this. But I just save up the money and get a Motorola. I would honestly, if you really want to get into flippable phones this bad, and you're like, hey, listen, I just want to get a flippable phone. I've heard of Rays. I see them. I love them. Like, I just want to get involved. Please do yourself a favor and just go out there and get a Motorola Razr. Just get a Razr, get a discounted one, get one on sale. I know with how much it seems like they're discounted nowadays, you could also buy one on eBay. I think eBay sells them for like $200. Like, it depends on what you get, what version you get, but still, guys, this is not the option. Sorry, I'm not trying to hate on Energizer here, but this is not it, man. This is not it. This feels like you get this at a dollar store as a joke or as something like a cheap product. Energizer, oh man, you guys are going crazy with this one. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.